Are you a fan of captivating love stories that blossom from unexpected circumstances? Turkish dramas have masterfully portrayed tales where forced marriages evolve into profound romances. Even if you're new to Turkish series, you can enjoy these dramas with English subtitles. Let's dive into the top 10 Turkish dramas that beautifully depict love stories emerging from arranged or forced marriages. At number 10, Siyah Beyaz Aşk, Black and White Love. Siyah Beyaz Aşk tells the story of Aslı, a dedicated doctor, and Ferhat, a cold-hearted hitman. Their worlds collide when Aslı is forced to operate on a target of Ferhat's criminal organization. To keep her silent, Ferhat forces Aslı into marriage. As they navigate this coerced union, emotions intensify and they find themselves questioning their initial perceptions of each other. Will love blossom amidst the darkness surrounding them? At number 9, Sıla. Sıla revolves around a young woman taken from her family at birth and raised in Istanbul. Years later, she's deceived into returning to her birthplace, Mardin. There, she's forced into marriage with Boran, the tribe leader, to settle a blood feud. Initially resistant, Sıla's feelings evolve as she discovers Boran's honorable nature. Can love emerge from this union rooted in tradition and deceit? At number 8, Aşk ve Ceza, Love and Punishment. In Aşk ve Ceza, Yasemin, reeling from betrayal, has a one-night stand with Savaş, a man bound by family traditions. Circumstances lead them into a forced marriage to uphold family honor. As they confront personal and familial challenges, their relationship deepens. Will they find genuine love amidst the chaos? At number 7, Yal Cap, the Kingfisher. Yal Cap follows the story of Ferit, a wealthy playboy whose family arranges his marriage to Seyran to curb his reckless behavior. Initially indifferent, Ferit and Seyran's relationship evolves as they uncover each other's true selves. Can an arranged marriage lead to true love? At number 6, Ken Saiscleri, Blood Flowers. Ken Saiscleri centers on Dil and Baran, forced into marriage to end a blood feud between their families. Despite their initial animosity, they begin to see each other's virtues. Will their union bring lasting peace and unexpected love? At number 5, Ego, Erki Güven Olmaz. Men Can't Be Trusted. Ego tells the story of Elif and Erhan, whose lives take a drastic turn due to financial hardships. To overcome their crisis, they're compelled into a contractual marriage. As they navigate this arrangement, genuine feelings surface. Can trust and love prevail in a relationship born out of necessity? At number 4, Safir, Sapphire. Safir portrays the life of Feray, who is forced into marriage with a wealthy man to save her family's fortune. Initially feeling trapped, she gradually discovers her husband's compassionate side. Will their marriage of convenience turn into a tale of true love? At number 3, Hudutsuz Sevda, Boundless Love. Hudutsuz Sevda tells the story of Zeynep and Mehmet, who are compelled into marriage due to unforeseen circumstances. As they confront external challenges together, their bond strengthens. Can their forced union transform into an unbreakable love? At number 2, Kızıldel Goncalı, Red Roses. Kızıldel Goncalı follows the journey of Leela and Mert, whose families pressure them into marriage to merge their businesses. Initially strangers, they embark on a journey of understanding and affection. Will their business arrangement lead to a blooming romance? At number 1, Kendi Düzen Almaz, You Reap What You Sow. Kendi Düzen Almaz revolves around Elaz, a spoiled young woman who, after a series of misfortunes, is forced into marriage with a humble man to restore her family's reputation. Through this union, she learns the true meaning of love and sacrifice. Can this unlikely pair find happiness together? These dramas beautifully depict how love can emerge from the most unexpected situations, turning forced circumstances into heartfelt romances. If you're new to Turkish series, don't worry. Many of these dramas are available with English subtitles, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in these captivating stories. Which of these dramas intrigued you the most? Have you watched any of them, or do you have other favorites? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recommendations on mesmerizing Turkish dramas.